Hey guys, what's up? It's me, NextPhaseGaming, and today I'm gonna be doing a kind of different video. Today I'm gonna be doing a 200 about well, it probably costs about 270 quid, but without Windows 7 it costs about 200. £200 gaming PC. So it's probably won't run all the latest games. It definitely won't run kind of Battlefield 4. Well, it may run it on kind of the lowest settings, maybe. But you're kind of looking at kind of the last generation game this can handle fairly well. I mean, medium to high graphics, probably. So the motherboard here is the MSI FM2. That's a socket. It's a micro ATX motherboard. It's fine. It'll do everything. It runs DDR3 RAM. Yeah, that's about it for that. So the RAM, we have got a Corsair 1600 megahertz, 4 gigabytes RAM. It's pretty good for the price. It's fine. It do anything you want. Then you can, if you want, you can add another. You can add another 4 gigabyte stick to your motherboard if you want. Just make it that a little bit quicker. Okay, so for the CPU and the graphics cards, I chose the AMD A6400K Black Edition APU. So on APU, it's just like a CPU and GPU crossover. So they're like all in one. They're all in one bit. So you just have one thing to plug into the socket of the motherboard. So yeah, it's dual core 3.2 gigahertz, I think. Hang on, 3.6 gigahertz dual core. It's good. Um, and yeah, it's got the HD7540D graphics card in there, which is it's all right. You could probably do Crossfire with it and get AMD. Just get one of those graphics. Just get an AMD graphics card with it and Crossfire. Probably do a bit better than that. It'd probably run Battlefield 4 on either medium, probably. So, okay, well, yeah. The CPU is a 450 watt ATX PSU. Sorry, the PSU is 450 watts. And yeah, I used to have this PSU. It's alright, nothing special. But yeah, I just thought the price, 20 quid for 450 watts. I mean, it's not the best in the world, but I mean, and also I doubt you need 450 watts for this build. You could probably upgrade a bit, give you a bit more room to get, let's say, upgrade your processor or something one day in the future. So yeah, that's that. The hard drive I'm going for is 250 gigabyte SATA hard drive, nothing special, 3.5 inch, fit your case, 7,200 RPM. It's fine. I doubt you need that. You can just upgrade it. But yeah, because I go on this website. I use this website to build my computer. It's very reliable, and they also do some shops. I actually went into one of their shops and bought one of their hard drives. They're absolutely fine. Nothing wrong with them at all. So lastly is the case. It's the Zalman Z11 MIDI tower case. So it supports ATX motherboards and MATX motherboards. And it's also quite cool because it's got cable management and it's got it can it can absorb vibration. Sorry. So yeah, because it's got a rubber stand, so it just looks cool. It just is cool. I mean, I personally don't have this case, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So that's about it of the PC build, but unfortunately, all of that stuff costs about £200, and Windows 7 that costs 70 quid. So if you want to get that or Windows 8, I think they're about the same price. But yes, because I couldn't really add that into the build, because obviously it just costs too much. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please just comment down below. Down in the comment section, as I do have a little bit of experience with building computers and stuff, as I've built one myself and I'm using that now. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and see you again next time. NextPhaseGaming out.